Hello, hello, hello sa inyong lahat, sa aking mga minamahal na subscribers, and to all my viewers, followers sa The Star Talking Tarot. Welcome. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Sana ang lahat ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Hold on lang, may naiwan ako. Saglit. Nakalimutan ko sa yung ano ko. Sing-sing lang naman. Okay. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Sana ay ready na kayo makinig kung anong mensahe ng universe at anong dapat yung malaman at this moment. Okay? So, start na tayo. Okay? You know what? Okay, hold on. Alright, Spirit Guardians, whoever watched this video, ano po ang dapat na malaman nila? What's all about ang reading natin ngayon? Anong topic ng reading natin ngayon? Okay, we have here the Queen of Wands. You guys are very psychic. You guys are very charismatic. Okay, mga charismatic, malakas ang dating, maganda, guwapo. Okay, macho. Yeah, a lover. Meron tayong a lover. Meron ditong, oh my God, a lover and an King of Cups and Knight of Cups. Meron ditong magpaparamdam. May darating. It could be a new person, okay? Or may magbabalik. May magbabalik and meron ding new person. Okay? Hindi mo pa ito alam. Ito magbabalik. Okay? This is more about, I'm also getting like, alam mo, nagkakaroon ako ng goosebump. Parang mataas yung balahibo ko. Even na hindi naman ako hairy, pero itong pusa na itim, okay? Para bang, you are being guided. Okay? So, hindi mo ito alam. Hindi ka aware na you are being protected by your spirit animals. Okay? Siguro may pusa ka or any animals na sumasalangit na, or it's just that meron ka ditong spirit animals na being protected for you. Okay? Na ayaw ka niyang masaktan. Kung sino man yung so again, this is a spiritual message for you here, okay? So kung sino man yung nakasalamuha mo or a new person, mangliligaw, talagang yung tingin ng pusa, okay? Parang galit na galit. Oh, anong intention mo sa sa bantay ko? Okay? Maganda ba yung intention mo? Mahal na mahal mo ba siya? Hindi mo ba siya sasaktan? Talagang kinikilatis ka niya. Okay? So talagang this kind of animal spirit is really very protected. Okay? Talagang pinuprotektahan ka na hindi ka masaktan ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Okay? So, again, we have here, hold on. Sorry, saglit lang. So, talagang, we have here, someone's new or somebody. Okay, siguro kilala mo na to. It could be a work-related or kapitbahay. I'm also hearing kapitbahay or someone na hindi ka pa aware. Hindi mo alam na itong taong ito ay may papaplano na darating siya sa buhay mo, or it could be a surprise na darating siya sa buhay mo na mangliligaw siya sa iyo. Okay? Someone is going to approach you. Okay? I'm also hearing na may hihingi ng kapatawaran. Okay? May magbabalik. At meron na ditong a new person is coming. Mabilisan ito. Okay? At gusto niyang ligawan ka o suyuin ka. This person is very this person could be a water sign, okay, or an air sign, and also might be a fire sign. It doesn't have to be, but this could be a sign that this person baka ito yung mga another sign na itong taong ito ay lalapit sa iyo or makilala mo, someone new, okay, na gustong ligawan ka or wants to talk to you, they want to know you more about you, okay. Hold on. Spirit angels, and I'm also getting that the mask not showing true feelings. So again, hindi mo ito alam. I'm also getting na hindi mo to alam na itong taong ito ay siguro pag once na makilala mo siya, I didn't know, hindi ko alam kung talagang kilala mo na siya o hindi mo pa siya alam kasi mix ang energy natin dito. Meron itong magbabalik from the past and meron din tayong ditong new person. But this person is not gonna show you, hindi niya ipapakita sa iyo yung totoong intention niya. Okay? Para bang kikilitasin, anong tawag doon? Talagang i-check niya muna. Sorry, pero ako sa Tagalog na kilitasin, kayo naman kakaintindi, okay? Pero talagang nabubulol ako sa na yan. Anyway, i-check niya talaga yung background mo, yung personality mo, kung okay na ba na magugustuhan mo ba siya, before siya mag-open up, okay, yung nararamdaman niya. Okay? So, yung iba maghihingi ng sorry, yung iba naman dito is mangliligaw sa'yo. So, i-check niya muna bago ka suyuin. Okay? But this person is planning. Okay? May darating dito, new person and a person from the past ay babalik or darating sa buhay mo. Pag once na darating sa buhay mo, hindi nila agad ipapakita yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo. This person is going to parang masking na muna siya. Okay? Yeah. So we have here true feelings. Okay, not showing their true feelings, hide personality, or personify, pretend. Okay? Ano ito? Delude, gaslighting. So, again, okay lang. Continue lang. Whatever you do, kung ano yung... Ang mas mabuti kasi dito, magpapakatotoo ka sa kapwa mo. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan na masking, okay? Or pretentious, okay? So, kasi the more na naging totoo ka sa sarili mo as sa kapwa mo, the more na-encourage sila na mag-open up sa'yo or to trust you, okay? Kung ano ang nasa loobin nila. Kasi meron din tayo dito na may gustong lumapit sa'yo because this person's intention ay mabuti. Mabuting intention niya sa'yo. Meron ditong hihingi ng pagpatawad or hihingi ng tulong sa'yo from their heart, okay? Or yung suggestion mo, okay? This person is being attracted by you, okay? So, again, feel free to show or to teach people kung ano yung magaling ka or magaling ka, kung saan ka magaling, kung anong talino mo, kung ano ang alam mo, okay? Kasi you are a very trustworthy person. Okay, so pakita mo sa lahat ng tao na kung anong sekreto na gustong sabihin ng taong ito or tulong, keep it in mind na this is just between the two of you. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan na sabihin ng lahat na, natulungan ko yung tao yan. Yung tao yung sinabi sa akin. No. This person trusted you. Okay? This person care for you. Okay? So, yeah. Okay. So, alam mo yung ibig kong sabihin, hindi mo kailangan sabihin sa lahat kung ano yung natulong o sinabi ng tao to sa'yo. Okay? So, be mindful na you are trust person, loyal, okay? And you can keep secret from this person. Kasi ikaw yung kaya nga nag-open up itong taong ito sa'yo, okay? Dahil this person trusted you. Okay? So, what else? Tell me more, Spirit Guardian. Just, what is this King of Cups and Knight of Swords about? Okay, meron tayong you have two admirers here or somebody's checking on you online and meron ditong healing heart. So meron ditong I'm also getting like it could be a past person coming back, okay, because this person is finally healed. Okay, siguro nasaktan kayo or nasaktan mo siya or nasaktan kanya na gusto humingi ng tawad or siguro friendship, okay? This person, pagbabalik to sa buhay mo, let's say, from the past, pag itong taong ito ibabalik sa buhay mo, okay? Meaning, this person is like, finally, na nakapag-move on na siya, okay? This person is being healed from the painful journey between the two of you from the past, okay? Yeah. So, we have here healing from heartbreak, freedom from toxic relationship or addiction, okay? So, again, this person could be one of your admirer, spying on you online or in social media or somewhere sa environment mo, nakikita mo siya or nakikita ka niya. So again, this person is one of your spy. And this could be your soulmate as well. Okay? So when the time is right, okay, we have here a clock. It reminds me, when the time is right, you will be meeting your soulmate. This could be also your soulmate. Okay? Your soulmate is coming. Okay, you will be meeting your soulmate when the time is right. Okay? Sa tamang panahon, and it takes time. Okay? If this is from your past person, it takes time na magbabalik siya sa iyo, hihingi ng pagpapatawad. Pagka nakapag-move on itong taong ito, okay? It takes time for this person na makapag-heal. Okay? So, progress. Okay? May pagbabago dito. So, babalik itong taong ito, itong soulmate mo, I'm hearing it could be twin flame, your other half. Magbabalik siya, hingi ng tawad at the right time, at the right moment. Okay? As long as there's like a changes, okay, pagbabago sa taong ito. Okay? This person will be coming towards you in a mature way. Okay, hindi na dati noon na napaka-immature, okay, one-sided lang. I'm also getting like this person is kind of like maybe there was like before from the past napaka-ignorant or mayabang. I'm hearing mayabang, parang one-sided lang, parang siguro ikaw no, parang ikaw lang yata palagi nagmamahal, okay, or binubuhos mo yung pagmamahal niya sa mo sa kanya. And then one day this person realized na when the time na nagbabago na siya or meron siyang realization, okay, parang nagising siya or ginising siya ni universe, okay, na I feel like stupid, parang ganun. I feel so stupid na pinakawalan ko siya. Okay? I can't believe na ginawa ko to. Napaka-ignorante ko. Napaka-mayabang ko. Okay? Now what? Anong gagawin ko? Paano ko siya suyuin? Paano ako mag-sorry sa kanya? Okay? So it doesn't have to be just like love. It could be friendship as well. Okay? Yeah, so this person's coming back when the time is right. As long as itong taong ito, the universe will let this person to come towards you or magbabalik sa iyo. Okay? Pag itong taong ito ay nagbabago na. Okay? In a good version of this person. Okay? In a better way. Hindi na yung tulad noon. Okay? Meron dito yung taong maturity or matured. Okay? Yeah. So the more na nagkakaedad siya, itong taong ito ay nagbabago. Okay? So this person's finally like comes to a progression, okay, mapababago, maturity, realization, and then comes towards you. It doesn't have to be relationship as long as itong taong ito ay mapapakita ng totoong intensyon. Okay, it comes from this person's heart. Yeah. Meron ditong hindi pa siya talaga nakapag-move on. That person still holding on in that it could be friendship, relationship as well. Okay? Yeah. This person is coming back. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi mo akalain na babalik siya. Okay? Yeah. So, yung iba sa inyo, pag babalik tong taong ito or makilala mo siya, there's new and from the past, kasi mix dito, new and from the past, magbabalik or darating sa buhay mo. This person is not gonna say, hey, I care for you, I love you. No. Darating siya sa buhay mo in a friendly way, in a matured way. Okay? Kikilatisin ka niya, okay? Na, you know, to find out kung paano ka na, okay? Ano ka na ngayon, okay? Yung personality mo. Paano ka niya successfully na ma-approach. Okay? So, ganun. Yeah, this person is going to study first how to approach you. Okay? So, pag-aaralan niya muna paano kakausapin, paano mag-start ng conversation towards you, or paano mag-start ng friendship, building that friendship towards you. Okay? So, this can be like a surprise moment na makilala mo siya. Okay? So, ano pa? Ano pa dapat mong malaman at this moment? Okay. Spirit guide angels, what's all about? Oh, you know what? Let's get this. Who is this person about na darating sa buhay ng ating mga beloved star viewers? Okay? Whenever you watch this, guys, again, this is a general reading. Just take what's yours, kung ano nakaresonate sa'yo. Kung hindi ka man nakakaresonate, then maybe this not yours. Okay? Maybe sa next reading natin, makukuha natin yung energy mo. So, mix energy tayo dito, ha? Hindi to private reading. Okay, Spirit guide angels. And timeless po ito. Whenever you watch this video, if ever na it happened na nakita mo to 1 week from now, 2 months from now, a year from now, meaning this message or this video, meron ditong importanteng mensahe para sa'yo. Okay? Oh, ayan. Ano to? Okay, an agent. So maybe you will be meeting an agent. Di ba sabi ko na spy, because maybe this person work as an agent or a spy, okay, or a military. Talagang napaka-agent ng nating ng taong ito, ah. Okay? Ano ba? Or baka real estate agent naman ito. Anyway, kung anong agent yung pangalan na yun, yun na yun. So, meron tayong ditong mataas ang tingin sa sarili. Kaya nga, from the past, this person, I'm also getting like this is what the person from the past, na mataas ang tingin sa sarili. Okay? Kaya this person treated you well, properly back then. Kaya ngayon, meron siyang realization na nagkamali siya. Okay? So, mistisa, maybe this person is a foreigner. Okay? Mistiso, maputi, magandang pangatawan, maganda yung balat. Beautician. So, minsan dito yung energy nagkakapalit-palit. Baka yung energy dito is hindi sa'yo, baka yung person mo, okay? O yung person na darating sa buhay mo. Or baka ito yung energy mo. Again, minsan kasi nagkakapalit-palit yung energy. Masyadong matanda, okay? So, this person is older than you. Again, pag itong tao ito ay babalik sa buhay mo, this person coming back na parang tumanda na siya. Okay? Yeah, kasi meron siyang realization nung may pa siya, yung makisig pa siya, bata pa, okay, this person didn't treat you properly. Okay? Parang ini-ignore ka lang niya. Ngayon na tumatanda na siya, okay, nagkakaedad na siya, ano ba yan? Nagkakaedad na siya, yan, dyan pa niya na-realize na nagkakamali pala siya. So parang gusto niyang itama yung mga mali niyang nasabi sa'yo noon, okay, o ginawa. Malamig na lugar, maybe this person lives in siguro winter, okay, kung may 4 seasons or nasa abroad, not a good looking, okay, yeah, maybe this person have lack of may kulang na anong tawag doon, yung sa looks niya, okay, so parang dinidiscriminate niya sarili niya or parang dinadown niya sarili niya, wala siyang confidence sa sarili niya na this person is good enough for you or hindi siya gwapo para sa iyo, hindi siya maganda para sa iyo. Parang pinupush away ka niya kasi hindi kayo bagay. Okay? But this person is coming back or realization na mali pala siya. Hindi dapat na hindi pala dapat niya yun ginawa sa iyo. Okay? Na parang iniiwasan ka niya or pinupush away ka niya. It's because of this low esteem. Okay? Kulang sa confidence sa sarili. Okay? Long distance, most likely foreigner, you guys are dealing with a foreigner or long distance, talaga nasa malayo lang kayo or kayong dalawang ng taong ito. Babae, meron babae dito. Okay? Maybe because you guys are dealing with another person here. That's what I'm getting. Parang pinupush away ka ng taong ito because siguro may the reason is because of another person. Mahilig sa K-pop. Maybe you are dealing with somebody na mahilig sa K-pop or Asian. I'm also hearing like Korea. Mas bata pa sa'yo. So mixed, di ba? May mas bata, may mas matanda pa sa'yo. Year of the rat. And what else? Dark skin. So meron talaga ditong dark skin or skin color type na kaya siguro pinupush away ka ng taong ito is because of the skin color. Okay? Alam mo naman yung mga Pinoy mahilig sa mga puti, di ba? So siguro parang itong tao ito hindi naman ako maputi. Itong tao ito maganda ng balat. Siguro ikaw itong viewer na mestiza and this person have a low esteem. Okay? Talagang dinidiscriminate niya yung sarili niya na hindi siya good looking. This person is not good enough for you. So parang pinupush away ka. Kasi hindi maganda yung balat niya, hindi siya gwapo. Talagang low esteem ang problema ng taong ito. Kaya pinupush away ka niya. Okay? So this person is babalik ulit, magpapakilala sa'yo, or maybe this is also a sign, someone new na darating sa buhay mo, okay? So, this person is going to talk to you, communicate with you, kausapin ka, suyuin ka, or ligawan ka, okay? This person have a good intention towards you. So, again, babalik itong taong ito in a rush way, okay? Mabilisan itong taong ito na kausapin ka. Okay. What else, Spirit can just message? Okay. A message. What do you have to know? Anong dapat lang malaman at this moment? Ano ang dapat nilang malaman? Peace and denial. So again, meron ditong denial. Siguro itong taong ito ay dinideny niya yung nararamdaman sa iyo. Kaya hindi kanya sinuseryoso. Okay? And then again, this person is coming back. Most likely talaga from the past Okay? Hindi naman siguro like currently, I'm also getting like currently, parang dinideny ng taong ito yung nararamdaman mo or nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Okay? Imposible namang mamahalin o magugusto na ko ni ito ganyan. Hindi naman ako kagandahan, hindi naman ako gwapo. Okay? So, again, meron ditong denial feeling. Okay? So, itong taong ito ay nag-iisip pa kung paano kanya kakausapin, kung paano kanya i-approach. Okay? Kasi hindi mo alam eh. Tingnan mo, nakatalikod ka. Samantalang siya nasa likod lang. Di ba? Ang cute naman. So, denial. I acknowledge my fear, but I replace it with the insight of awareness. So, you can post the video and screenshot mo na lang. Okay? Yeah. So, meron tayong denial. Okay? I'm also getting, siguro ikaw din, dinideny mo rin yung nararamdaman mo sa taong ito. Okay? Yeah. O yung pakiramdam mo sa taong ito. Meron tayong denial both side. Okay? Kasi ikaw hindi ka nakatingin sa kanya. Siya naman nakatingin sa iyo. So, parang, ano ba talaga? Ano ba talaga nararamdaman sa kanya? Siguro, I'm also getting mixed na nagpapakita ka ng signs, pero parang ini-ignore mo lang. So, parang nalilito din siya eh. Ano ba? May gusto ba to sa akin o wala? Kasi nakakuha ako ng signs. Okay? So, parang minsan, hindi naman ako gwapo, hindi naman ako maganda, hindi yun. Hindi totoo yung nakukuha kong signs na or signal na ginagawa niya na may gusto or may or nagpapapampam siya sa akin, parang gano'n. So, ikaw naman, okay, we'll say, kung nagpapakita ka rin naman ng feeling, okay, siguro parang, hindi naman siguro sa akin yun, hindi naman siguro, hindi niya yata niya makukuha yung signs ko, yung signals ko. So, ganon. Okay? Maybe you are sending a sign towards this person, okay, na may gusto ka sa kanya, pero yun lang, parang hindi mo siguro, siguro you're not taking it through, siniseryoso iyon. Siguro hindi mo talaga siniseryoso yun. Parang dinideny mo rin talaga na both side, okay? Para siguro dinideny mo rin siguro na may gusto ka sa taong ito or talagang dinideny mo sa sarili mo na nagpapapampam ka sa taong ito. Okay? So, very may pagka-childish action. Napaka-cute lang. Okay? So, peace, I am being of love and I release all negative energy. So, affirm that. I release all the negative energy. So, yeah, that way, ikaw ay mamuhay ng peacefully. Okay? Walang gulo, tahimik ang buhay mo. So, continue that affirmation. Okay? So, magandang affirmation nito. Okay? I release all negative energy. Okay? Yeah, that's good. So, what else, Spirit Guardian Angels? Ano pa ang darating sa buhay or dapat malaman ng ating star viewers at this moment whenever they watch this video? Okay? Ano yun? May nag-flip pa ba? So, Queen of Cups, you guys are very intuitive. Okay? Napakaganda ng vibration mo ngayon. Ang ganda-ganda ng mo ngayon, ng energy mo ngayon. Okay? Most likely talagang, meron naman dito. Alam mo, ang cute nito. Okay? So, ito naman, ito yung tao na hindi alam, say, from the past, okay, from the past, hindi mo alam, okay, na itong taong ito ay babalik sa'yo, okay, or we'll say, ngayon, hindi mo alam kung may nararamdaman itong taong sa'yo, or hindi mo pa alam, okay, na may makilala kang admirer or new lover, okay, or, yeah. At dito naman, alam mo, okay, so naghihintay ka na itong taong ito ay mag-offer sa'yo ng, pagmamahal, or confess sa'yo, okay, it could be sorry, or friendship, okay, it could be lover, okay, or pag-ibig. So para bang, kailan mo ba ako susuyuin? Napaka-astig ng mo. Ang astig-astig ng mo, ng energy mo dito. Okay? So, ito, tingnan mo, ang astig-astig, di ba? O kailan mo ba ako susuyuin? Kailan ka ba darating sa buhay ko? Okay? Andito lang ako, nakaupo lang, naghihintay lang. Okay? Kailan ka ba hingi ng sorry sa akin? Okay? Talagang mo, you owed me an apology. Talagang alam na alam mo na darating itong taong ito para hingi ng pagpatawad sa iyo or kakausapin ka or talagang gusto mo itong taong ito na lalapit sa iyo na manligaw sa iyo. So, talagang ang astig-astig mo, alam mo, nararamdaman mo itong taong ito ay lalapit sa iyo or kakausapin ka. So, you're just there, sitting pretty. Alam mo yung angel mo parang natatawa na lang sa iyo. Okay? May pagkamayabang ka rin eh. Ang cute ng energy. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So, meron naman ditong, dalawa kayo eh. See? King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Again, this is also a soulmate. Maybe you are dealing with your soulmate. Okay? Maybe you are dealing with your soulmate. So, your soulmate is coming back. Okay? Once this person, kung nagkaroon kayo ng um, hidwaan or yung distance, kung anong distance mo nito, hindi nag-uusap or something like that, this person's coming back and but this person, when ma-realize niya, when the time is right, this person's coming back. Okay? Realization na suyuin ka. And that's why, alam mo, na siya ay may kasalanan sa'yo. Okay? You have a beautiful energy. Okay? High vibration. Psychically. Okay? You guys are very psychic. Alam na alam mo na itong taong ito ay darating. This person's owed you a lot of apology. Big time. Okay? Yeah. But this person is like pretending. Mayroon dito yung masking. Di ba kanina sabi ko yung masking? Yeah, so mag-pretend itong taong ito. Okay? Sasabihin na, alam mo maghihingi siya ng sorry sa'yo. Pero itong taong ito na mag-pretend siya, hindi naman ako mag-sorry sa'yo. Mag-hi hello lang, kamusta? Ganun lang. Pero, this person truly care for you. Okay? Yeah. So, swords, ano dito? 7 of swords. So, yeah. Meron, siguro, itong taong ito ay, hold on. So, siguro itong taong ito ay nag-cheat sa'yo or nag-lied sa'yo. Okay? So, may mga tinatagong lihim itong taong ito sa'yo. Or talagang dinedma ka, or may ibang involved. Okay? Siguro na babae ito o na lalaki ito. Kaya this person owed you an apology. Kaya nga sa'yo, nakaupo ka lang, okay, waiting from this person na mag-sorry sa'yo. Okay? Alam na alam mo itong taong ito ay magbabalik one day. Okay? And siguro pinipray mo talaga itong pagbabalik ng taong ito na hihingi ng sorry, na ma-realize niya ang mga maling ginagawa niya sa'yo. Okay? So, para ba nagkaroon kayo ng away? Okay? So, this person is also spying on you. Okay? Chine-check ka niya online. Okay? So, again, you guys are very intuitive. So, follow your intuition, and your intuition is telling you or giving you some signs. Okay? So, ang cute ng energy. Alright. Our spirit guide angels, anong dapat malaman, a message from from all our viewers at this moment? Okay? Codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. So, siguro, to some of you, namimiss mo siya. Okay? Like again, parang meron tayong dito soulmate, di ba? So, parang kung wala siya, parang kulang. May kulang. This could be also your twin flame. Okay? In a twin flame relationship or journey, meron talaga ditong space. Okay? Pagkakahiwalay. Okay? So, that moment, meron talaga kayong mga journey na may realization. Okay? Na, or a lesson to learn. Okay? In this journey na may kulang dito. Okay? So, again, pagka oras na, okay, when the time is right for you, okay, pag nagdesisyon na si universe na, okay, you have learned your lesson, Queen of Cups, you have learned your lesson, King of Cups, you already finally, okay, learned your lesson, your mistakes. So, it's time, oras na. Okay, parang may judgment na, okay, it's time na magbalik kayong muli o magkita kayong muli. Dapat both side may kapatawaran sa sarili. Okay? So, again, you're trying your best to live your life to the fullest. Pero there's a time na napapaisip mo siya, naalala mo siya, kaya parang naghihintay ka. Okay? Maybe your soul is still longing for your person, na you are waiting. Kailan pa ba siya babalik? Kailan ba siya hingi ng sorry sa akin? Okay? So, again, you don't have to wait for so long. Okay? So, kung meron man kayong mga hindi pagkakaintindihan, okay, let yourself to be healed. Kailangan talaga mag-heal muna ang iyong puso. Okay? Emotionally, physically, mentally, talagang may dito, healing process muna. It takes time. So, you don't have to wait for this person. I know yung iba sa inyo dito naghihintay, but I do advise you na you don't have to wait for this person. Do what you can do. Focus on loving yourself. Okay? Focus ka muna sa sarili mo, sa career mo, sa pag-aaral mo, okay? Sa finances mo. Whatever you're doing, do what you can do. You don't have to wait for this person. Let the universe to unfold, okay, the magic in this journey. Okay? And then one day, masusurprise ka na lang na, wow, totoo nga, babalik nga siya. Okay? Prayers is really powerful. Napakinggan ni universe yung prayers ko na magbabalik siya, hingin siya ng papatawad sa akin. So, ganun lang. Okay? So, I know right now, yung iba sa inyo, yung feeling mo na siya na yung true love mo. Okay? See, meron tayo nitong, this is the romance of lifetime. So, yeah, again, you are being guided. The universe wants you to heal from this past person. Kung sino man ito nanakit sa'yo, nasaktan ka, okay? You need time to heal. Okay? So, ano pa? Yung iba sa inyo, hindi mo naman na nakapag-move on ka na. Yung sabihin natin nakapag-move on ka na, ayaw mo na dito sa taong ito, at least nagkakaroon ka ng peace of mind. Okay? Kapatawaran sa sarili mo at sa taong ito. Okay? You don't have to be with these persons again. At least magkaroon ka ng kapatawaran sa sarili. Okay? What else? Hold on. Saan na yun? Any message, Spirit Guardian Angels? Any message, please? Na dapat lang malaman whenever they watch this video. Okay? The world. Yes, the world. You guys are truly beautiful. Okay. Most likely, you guys are really loving yourself. Focusing on loving yourself. Ang dami mong admirer. And you are being guided by the universe. Yung iba sa inyo, nagka-travel. Okay? Or minamanifest yung mag-travel. So, continue on manifesting. Okay? You are holding the key. The power is within you. See? It's like a manifestation. Para itong the magician. Okay? So, talagang napakalakas ng manifestation ninyo. Okay? Yung affirmation ninyo continues pag-affirm. I am powerful. I release a negative energy. Okay? And I am willingly, okay, and na ma-receive iyong mga blessings from the universe. And I'm so thankful for what I have right now. So, ganun dapat ang mga affirmation nyo sa buhay para positive ang darating sa buhay mo. Okay? So, tanggalin yung mga, yung mga negativity sa buhay mo. Okay? Yung mga tao na hindi ka naman masaya sa mga tao or sa mga, kahit sa relationship. Kung hindi ka masaya sa relationship na yan, then let go, forgiveness. Okay? Para magkaroon ka ng peace of mind. Or share your emotions sa partner mo. Okay? So, ganun lang naman eh. Okay? So, share what's in your mind para yung relationship ninyo mas maging matatag pa. Okay? Mag-strong and mag-long last yung pagsasama ninyo ng partner mo. Okay? So, again, you hold the power. Okay? Ikaw ang may control. Okay? Ikaw ang may control sa buhay mo. Okay? So, whatever you do, you are in control. Talaga mag-ingat-ingat ka sa ginagawa mo, sa decision mo. Okay? Towards your action. Kasi kung ano yung ginawa mo magkagandahan, yun din ang babalik sa'yo. Talagang nagre-reflect. Meron tayong ditong reflection. Parang mirror. Okay? So kung maganda ang pakikitungo mo sa buhay mo or sa kapwa mo, then ganun din, nagre-reflect sa'yo. So, parang binabalik ko na to sa ibang reading ko sa ibang sa ibang channel ko dun reading sa ibang videos. Okay? So, reflection. Kung anong ginagawa mo sa buhay mo, sa sarili mo, sa kapwa mo, continue. Okay? Do good deeds and then good things is happening towards you. Ang balik sa iyo. Okay? Yeah. So, parang lang to parang salamin lang. Nagsasalamin ka lang. Kung anong magandang ginagawa mo, yun ang balik sa iyo. Okay? You are being guided by your spirit animals. Most likely dito spirit animals. This is like a spirit animals message for everyone here. Okay? So, love on yourself, continue on loving yourself, take good care of yourself, eat plenty of foods, or siguro yung iba sa'yo parang, I'm also getting like, eat plenty of foods kasi nga parang dapat ingatan mo ang kalusugan mo kasi parang yung iba nasusobrahan yata sa kakadiet, okay, or hindi na maganda yung kinakain. Okay? Kasi parang focus ka sa mga ginagawa mo, sa trabaho mo. Kaya parang kulang ka na sa kinakain mo. So, kailangan plenty of food ang kakainin mo. Okay? That's a message for you from your spirit animals. Okay? And continue on loving yourself. Focus on loving yourself. Yun lang talaga. Okay? And you are being guided by the universe. Okay? You are being protected by the universe. So, what else? What is the final message from the universe? Final message from the universe. Final message from the universe. Okay? Golden Solar Dragon helps you stand in your masculine power with wisdom. Let your DNA be programmed and light codes activated. Become an inspired leader. So, again, you are holding the power. So, people are inspired by you. Okay? Even sa social media, marami dito mga tao na nag-spy sa'yo. Okay? Because they are being inspired by you. Whatever you do, na-inspired sila sa'yo. Okay? So, continue lang. Huwag kang mag-isip ng mga negatibong bagay kung bakit chine-check ka o kinukopya ka ng mga tao ito. Because these people are just being inspired. So, that's good. Okay? So, iwasan mag-isip ng hindi maganda sa kapwa. Okay. Spirit Guide Angels, ano pang mensahe para sa ating mga beloved star viewers whenever they watch this video? Message, please. Okay, meron tayo ditong number 28, victory. Yes, you will be soon holding your victory. Okay, success is about to happen. You will be getting this soon. Okay, matatanggap mo ito. Yung iba sa inyo natatanggap mo na. You are holding your success already. Okay, it's within you. Yung iba sa inyo, it's already in your hand. Hawak-hawak mo yung victory mo, yung success. Third chakra, Archangel Chamuel or Camuel. Okay, so continue. Okay, your third eye chakra, your third chakra is being activated by your angel. Okay, so again, marami sa inyo dito napaka-psychic. Okay, alam na, gising na. And yung iba sa inyo talagang wala pang alam, hindi pa aware. And maybe that's why you are getting signs from the universe na the universe is activating. Okay, ina-activate the universe ang iyong psychic power. Okay, na magising ka at gamitin ito at magamit iyon sa mabuting bagay. Okay? So, angel of love. So again, you will be receiving. So most likely, hawak mo yung victory. You will be receiving the true love. Okay? Kung ito yung pinapangarap mo, pinapanalangin mo na sana makita mo na yung true love mo, sana darating na siya. Yes, the universe is granting you. Okay? Hold on. So the universe is granting you a true love. So this person, okay? So the universe sending you a new person. It will be a surprise for you. Whatever you are wish for, okay? Yung mga pinapanalangin mo, it's happening. Okay? You deserve victory of love. Okay? Angel of love. Okay? You are holding the love is within you. Okay? Pasensya na. Parang nag-ano yung boses ko na iba dito. Anyway, healer of the ages. So again, continue. Okay? Kung ikaw itong healer, psychic, continue on what you're doing. Okay? You are you're bringing successful. Okay? Napaka-successful ang ginagawa mong pagiging healer sa kapwa mo. Okay? So continue on using that power from the universe that you being given and guided. Okay? Using this spiritual journey. Okay? So, continue mo lang. Hawak-hawak mo ang iyong power. Ginagamit mo naman sa mabuti. So, continue. So, you're being guided. Okay? Sa mga healer dyan, psychic, okay, manghuhula. Okay? So, spiritual journey, you are doing well. So, one last message na tayo. You know what? Hold on. So, itong card ay nagpapapansin sa akin. So, nalaglag. Okay? So, pahabol natin ito, you guys are truly beautiful inside and out. And the universe is giving you a gift. Okay, a beautiful and a surprise gift. So, that would be our next reading. Okay, kung ano yung ibibigay ni universe sa'yo na matatanggap mo very soon. But you know what? Hindi ko isa sa iwalat itong mga itong gifts ni universe, okay? That you will be receiving soon. You guys, meron dito most likely nakahawak kayo Victory, success. Hawak-hawak mo na. Yung iba sa inyo, you are already holding your blessings. Okay? Ramdam na ramdam mo yung blessings na nasa iyo. Okay? Alam mo yun and make sure hindi mo kalimutan magpapasalamat sa Panginoon. Okay? Lord God, thank you. Okay? For this wonderful life. Okay? For the blessings. Okay, sa lahat-lahat ng bagay na binigay sa akin, maraming salamat. Na-appreciate ko po iyon. Okay? You deserve a beautiful lover. Okay? You deserve love, success, victory. Okay? So, Yung iba sa inyo, darating yun, continue on manifesting, at yung iba sa inyo, natatanggap nyo na yung victory, yung success. Okay, so again, do not stop on keep praying. Continue talaga sa pagpapanalangin. Okay, for thanking the universe for all the blessings na binigay nila sa iyo. Okay? So, ano pa, Spirit ka rin, just any message that you need to know this moment? Yes, a message. Again, you will be receiving a good news. Most likely a good news. Okay? You know, a good news from the universe that you will be receiving victory, success, and being loved. Again, maybe yung spy mo or lover mo ay magme-message sa'yo. So, pay attention to that. What is this message about, Spirit Angels? Clarity, please. A message, please, from the universe that they will be receiving to all my viewers. Okay, it could be about your children. Siguro may long distance dito. This person, siguro yung mga anak mo na nasa malayo. Okay, namimiss ka at gusto mag-message sa'yo. And this is also could be your childhood. Siguro from your past person na babalik. Again, nasabi ko na kanina, may past dito na babalik. So this person is going to talk to you and want to talk to you. Okay? Meron din tayo itong tang ito, this could be related from your ex-husband. Okay? Baka ito ang tatay ng mga anak mo or ina ng mga anak mo. This person wants to fix things up in a good way. Okay? So, or itong taong ito, ay baka gusto bumuo or ma-propose sa'yo. If you're in a relationship na, I think your person is planning to offer you. Okay? Gusto niya mag-offer ng stability. Okay? To build a family with you and have children with you. Okay? Our Spirit Angels. At meron din tayong dito na your person, if you are currently married at may mga anak na, your person wants to tell you na, thank you. I'm so thankful and grateful na how you take good care of our children. Okay? Na-appreciate ko ang pagiging mabuting mong magulang sa ating mga anak. Maraming salamat. Okay. So you guys are really blessed. Okay? Na meron kayong thoughtful na asawa. Okay? Appreciate niya yung galing mo at kabutihan mo at pagmamahal mo. Okay? Sa pamilya. Okay. So what else? Message. Ladybug, good luck. See again. Blessings is about to happen. You will be receiving a blessings. You are a bright energy. Let worry go and be happy here and now. Feel good about being a loving and colorful you. You bless the world with color and good luck. So again, good luck. Okay, claim that. Okay, universe, I will be claiming that good luck that you are giving or planning to give me. Thank you for all the blessings. Thank you, Lord God. Thank you, guardian angels, spirit animals. Thank you sa lahat-lahat ng mga blessings. Okay? Claim that a good luck na you are about to receive it. Okay? Hanggang dito na lang sa lahat ng aking mga loyalty subscribers dito and mga viewers. Okay? Sa mga cross-watcher dyan, please do subscribe. Nakaka-appreciate po yun. Again, I hope to see you guys in my next reading. I love you and God bless. Bye!